Hello friend, welcome to all of you. This is the Banking and Finance paper 3 lecture, chapter number 2, Negotiable Instrument Act 1881. In the previous lecture, we have studied the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881 definition, features and presumption. And in this lecture, we also study the types of negotiable instrument and particularly the promissory note, meaning and features. So this chapter we looking at some points: the definition, characteristics, presumption of negotiable instrument, which is we explained in our earlier lecture, the promissory note, bill of exchange and check. These are the negotiable instrument, their definition, features and parties. And the next, negotiation, the presentment, notice of dishonor, noting and protest. So today's lecture we discuss about the negotiable instrument which is made by law, like the promissory note. So we let us start our the point. First we looking the what is meant by negotiable instrument, meaning of the negotiable instrument. A negotiable instrument is the method of transfer debt from one person to another person. The word of negotiable means the transferable from one person to another person in return for the consideration. An instrument means a written document by which a right is created in favor of some person. So negotiable instrument is a document which is the transfer the ownership from one person to another person. It is made for the consideration and it is the written document which is the create for the favor of some person. So negotiable instrument is the document and which is the entitle the person of sum of money which is the transfer from one person to another person throughout the endorsement and the delivery. It is made for the payment. So negotiable instrument are the document means the making of payment, the ownership which can be transferred from one person to another person. So it is the written document which is the transfer the ownership from one person to another person, and it is made for the transfer the ownership one to the other person, and it is made for the consideration and transfer the money from one hand to the other hand. Types of negotiable instrument, there are some types which is the as per the law, the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881. The first is the under section 4, the promissory note. The next is the under section 5, bill of exchange. The section 6 under check, and the another is the hundi, which is the used by the traders by their uses and customs. The next is the treasury bills, and the other is the negotiable instrument by uses and customs which is used by the traders. The government promissory note, then bank draft, delivery order, charge of hundi, railway receipts and commercial papers. These are also known as the negotiable instrument. But in this chapter we looking the particularly the negotiable instrument which is the as per the law, means the promissory note, bill of exchange and check. So meaning of promissory note, what is the promissory note? Promissory note is a document that recorded the promise to pay back of money which has been the loaned. The party making the promise to repay is known as a debtor, and party loaning as the money called the creditor or the lender. So debtor is given the written promise to creditor, return his money after certain time is the promissory note. So promissory note can be used anytime as a loan is made and purpose of securing the payments. So creditor is securing his payment, he is the take the return consideration or return from the debtors. In fact, any loan should be recorded into the promissory note. Even if simple loan from the friend and family members, we also recorded into the promissory note. The promissory note is a formal contract between the two parties, means the maker, drawer and pay. So maker is also called the drawer. So drawer and pay, this is the formal contract between these two parties. It is a written and signed unconditional promise to pay of certain amount of money on the demand of at a specific time or over a period of time. So one person is given the written signed unconditional promise to the another person. He return his money after specific certain time with the interest rate, whenever we mention the interest rate. So meaning of promissory note, it is a promise, written promise, unconditional promise given by one person to the another person. Definition of the promissory note as per the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881, the section 4 is laid down the definition. Promissory note is an instrument in writing, not being a bank note or a currency note. So it is a written instrument and containing unconditional undertaking signed by the maker to pay certain sum of money only to or to the order of the certain person or the bearer of the instrument. So it is the written document and made by the maker and pay certain sum of money to order of certain person or the bearer of the instrument. So simple word, a promissory note is the promise in written by the debtor to pay certain sum of money to the creditor or his order. In general, promissory note is used the memorialized promise to pay a sum of money in future debt, the exchange for a loan in the various financing at present. So promissory note is a written promise given by debtor to the creditor. Here we looking the one specimen of the promissory note. Here we looking the also the 10,000 rupees, means the certain amount in word and in figure also. It is the given one promise by the Mr. Sanjay to Mr. Santosh, which is have the Siddhant Engineering Private Limited, and the place, the certain place is the Nasik, date October 27, 2020. So Mr. Sanjay is given the written promise to the Mr. Santosh, Siddhant Engineering Private Limited, Srinagar, Mysore, Nasik, about his return payment 10,000 rupees. The second specimen, the specimen number 2, the promissory note, rupees 25,000 rupees on demand. I promise to pay the State Bank of India the sum of the 25,000 in the word in figure with interest of the 15 per annum for the value received. Place Nasik, date 27th October, stamp and the signature by the Mr. SPR. So this is the second specimen. We looking about the promissory note, and certain thing is the common in the specimen number 1 and 2, the stamp, the figure, the date, place and the certain person and the certain amount. So what is the content, main content in the promissory note? We looking at some important content of the promissory note. There are some content is the important in every promissory note. So first we looking the content is the debt. The promissory note must be contain a date of execution so as to the compute the period of the limitation. So date is the mention in every promissory note. Next is the place. The place, the content is the place where it is the executed. So in our specimen we looking the Nasik is the place, date is the 27 October. The next is the about the sum of money, certain sum of money. The first specimen copy we looking the 10,000 rupees. The next in the 25,000 in words and in figures also. Sum of the money in mentioned in promissory note. The next is the name of parties. In promise note there are the two parties, mean the debtor and the creditor, means the maker of the promissory note and pay. There are the two certain parties. In our example, we looking the Mr. Sanjay is given the promise written money to Mr. Santosh, and the next specimen we looking that the Mr. Santosh given promise to State Bank of India 15% per annum. The next is the revenue stamp. The revenue stamp is necessary for the consideration or the recognition as a promissory note. So from promise is the affixed by revenue stamp, and the promise is signed. Promise is the sign across it. So stamp is necessary, and the sign of the promisee is necessary in the case of the promissory note. The features of the promissory note. What is the feature of the promissory? It is the writing. It is the written document. Promissory note must be in the writing, not in the oral form. No particular form of word is necessary. It may be written in ink, pencil, or may even printed or cyclotype. It may be in any form, but word shall be visible. So it is the written form. There is not necessary what we use the ink, pencil, but it is the word is clearly visible on it. The next is the undertaking to pay. So it is necessary to use the word of promise, but intention must clearly show the unconditional undertaking to pay certain amount or money. Unconditional. There is no any condition imposed by the person to the another person. So it must be contain the definite and the unconditional undertaking to pay. Promise to pay should be unconditional. A condition instrument is the invalid, so it must be certain of the payment. There is no any condition imposed by the person. Next is the certain person who is given money to who, and the maker and payee, the instrument must be certain and definite person. Means Mr. Sanjay is given to Mr. Santosh, and the next is the Mr. SBI is given to SBI. So certain person is necessary in promissory note. The next feature is about the sign. The instrument must be signed by the maker thereof. The sign of the maker would be constitute the signature if the maker intend the subscribe to the document. So sign is the necessary on the promissory note. Specified sum, how much money is given, the sum of the promise to be paid must be a certain and specific, not something 10,000, above 10,000, 10,000 rupees only or 25,000 rupees only. The certain sum is the necessary. Next is a promise to pay of money. In the case of the promissory note, the pay must be money only, not the anything. Promise is pay anything other than the legal tender in full or in part is not the promissory note. So promise to only given to the pay money, not a promise to given the goods and the anything. The next is the stamping. The stamping is necessary in the case of the promissory note, are chargeable with the stamp duty. It is advisable the cancel the stamps within the maker's signature or initial. So initial write on the stamp or the signature is necessary. So stamping is necessary in the case of promissory note. The next is the parties. In the promissory note there are the two parties. Normally there are two parties, the maker who make the promissory note or promise to pay, and the person who payment is the promise, the payment is called the pay. The next is the promise. So there is only a promise, there is only word used by the maker or drawer. I promise to pay, not use the word of order to pay. Unconditional promise to pay a certain amount of money on demand at a specific time or over a period of time. So unconditional promise, not an order in the case of the promissory note. So summary of this lecture, what we learn from this lecture. The negotiable instrument are the document, mean the making of payment, the ownership which can be transferred from one person to another person many times before a final payment is made. And the types of the negotiable instrument by law, the promissory note, bill of exchange, hundi, treasury bill and check. And the types of the negotiable instrument by uses and custom, government promissory note, banker's draft, debenture, railway receipt and commercial papers. And promissory note. The promissory note is the document recorded promise to pay back of money which has been loaned. The party making promise to repay is known as the debtor, and party loaning money is called the creditor. So promissory note is a promise in writing by debtor to pay certain sum of money to creditor or his order. So here we end of our lecture. The next is the references. You can use the Nirali publication or Success publication book for this point and your further study. The next is about the question. What will be question will be asked on this topic. So explain the meaning and features of promissory note. This question will be asked for 10 marks in your examination, term end or as well as annual examination. So the assignment question: explain the meaning and features of promissory note. So thank you student watching for this video, and the next time we will be see in the next lecture. The next point is the negotiable instrument, means the bill of exchange. In the next lecture we will be see the negotiable instrument, bill of exchange, and its meaning and feature. Thank you.